According to the World Health Organization, 9 out of 10 people breathe polluted air worldwide.
Hi, I'm Engineer and I'm fixing Africa's air pollution challenge. We take a breath every 3 seconds. We take more than 28,000 breaths a day, and we take over 10 million breaths in a year, but we take it for granted. So I created a solution to help us track the quality of air that we breathe in for every breath. Air pollution is a major challenge in African cities. Unfortunately, many cities in Africa do not have the means to track and regularly monitor the state of air pollution. We cannot manage what we cannot measure. AirQo's vision is clean air for all African cities. At AirQo, we build custom low-cost air quality monitors to monitor and track air quality. Communities use this data to reduce exposure to air pollution, but also take small individual actions that can collectively lead to cleaner air. We need to take action now so that the current generation and the next one can know what it means to breathe fresh air.